At Flow Coaching Institute, we get a lot of psychologists and mental health professionals to our certification programs that are attracted to our program because of our psychology background. Flow Coaching methodology is based on positive psychology and solution-focused psychology methodologies, as well as neuroscience and adaptation of creative therapies into coaching. And that's why we get so many mental health professionals, especially from North America, but also from other parts of the world. And one of the questions that they ask us in the early sessions of the program is like, what is the difference between therapy and coaching? And for a lot of people, there is a confusion and like, what is coaching, what is therapy? And I would like to summarize maybe with a few items about the difference between coaching and therapy. First of all, traditional therapy is based on understanding the problem of the person's past, or the problem or challenge that the person is going through. So therefore, the therapist really analyzes the family dynamics, like parent-child relationship, and basically the past of the person, of the individual, to be able to go to the root cause of the problem, so that they can start to analyze and set a strategy to be able to treat the person. So in therapy, there is a deep analysis. In traditional therapy, there is a deep analysis of the person. There's a diagnosis about what the problem is, and then there's a strategy of treatment. There is a plan for treatment to address that specific problem. Whereas in coaching, the approach is completely different. Especially in flow coaching, we position ourselves as a positive model instead of disease model. So traditional therapy is based on disease model, but flow coaching methodology is based on positive model, which means that we focus on the present of the person and what is, and then we help the person to identify where they want to be in the future. So the focus of the flow coaching relationship is starts from the present, and the focus is about what is possible for the person to create, to be able to reach the person's maximum potential, and to be able to manage progress, and to be able to measure progress also from now to the future. So the focus of the relationship is future, not the person's past. And there's no diagnosis in flow coaching methodology, because for us, people have creative capacity to create what they want, of course based on reality, and also they have resources that they're not aware of. So what we do as flow certified professional coaches is we help people to gain awareness about their innate potential, including their strengths, values, and skills and resources, and then help them to refine their thinking and project about what kind of future that they want to create, what is meaningful for them, what would make them happy, and what would bring to their life. And a typical traditional therapy dialogue would be like, what kind of a relationship did you have with your parents? Or like, do you remember the first time you had this problem? Da, da, da. So you analyze, the relationship starts in the now, but you analyze the problem by just, taking the person's memory to the past. Whereas in coaching, it's different. What is it that you want to create instead? That's what we ask when there is a problem. Okay, what is the impact that you're having because of this problem in your life, and what do you want to do with it? What kind of change do you want to create in order to overcome that problem? So in that sense, we are very different than traditional therapy and traditional psychology. I hope this answers this question that we get from so many people. What is the difference between therapy and coaching was the question, and I hope I am able to answer your question. Thank you very much.